Its walls speak of history and the past, but now Blackrock Castle has a very bright future. A multi-million euro renovation is almost complete. The council hopes that by early next year, a permanent exhibition here will allow school children, locals and tourists alike experience wonders far beyond this world.
We're in the longest room in the castle at the moment. This is the introductory part of the exhibition, and it's going to involve interfaces with a huge amount of screens here in this room, where people can, with gesture technology and touch sensitive screens, can explore the origins of life in the universe. Then onto our round room below here, which is going to have another whole array of interfaces with computers. And finally into our audiovisual room. This will involve a complete immersion with huge screens wrapped around the audience, where people can take a journey from Blackrock Castle to the edge of the universe in search of life and extreme life.
That's the public side, but the castle also houses an Astronomy Research Centre run by Cork Institute of Technology. It's astronomy research, but some of its applications are closer to home.
We're training scientists through the medium of astronomy to be able to then go out subsequently and become part of the industrial and the biotech and the information and communication technology community and make a real difference in society.
The castle is a couple of miles out from the city, but the council wants to bring it right in. They plan to develop a riverside walk from the city right out along here, so that Blackrock Castle really is connected to the city's other science and tourist attractions. Emma O'Kelly, RTE News, Blackrock in Cork.